Hi, I'm going to show you how to get into the secret dome and some Halo, and 2 Halo cheats and thing. First, you start off, go to the sand trap, start a new game. Wait, start a new game, go to Forge. Well, you don't have to, but get over there, go to Forge. You go over here. You go to Snow. You go to Seaver Nose. Turn upside down. Put it up against the wall up here. Try to get up. Okay, once up there, go. Okay, it should be up there. Now pause and go to save as new map. I agree. Now go to now just do anything you want. Save. Now go to end game. Okay, now start it again. Start again. You go to you go to the same place that you were in, that I was in, or you, whoever's playing. Of course, it might be you, but whatever. You go to the same place you're in, and you be sticking up against the wall there. Okay, perfect. And when sticking up against the wall there, you do 2-way receiver. Oh. If that happens, go outside. Now put it. And you can put it down that side, I think. Just wait until you get in there. Try to get in there. Oh, and then you're in. That's how you get into the secret tomb. There's nothing really exciting about it. And there's this other... You see the black thing right there? That's my shadow. Weird, right? Should disappear, you come closer, it looks like it's following you or something. Never moves when you move. Weird. Can't see it moving at all. Awkward. Okay, there's nothing really cool about doing this. You can just go to and do whatever you want in here. You can do respawn point in here, so this is where you spawn at all times. But there's 100 spawns, so you have to really all load. It takes a long time. But I'd rather just do that teleport. Okay, so you're in the secret tomb. I'll be doing more, and I really like the secret tomb, so just watch right. You should watch. Secret tomb's kind of cool. Okay, that was a video of Halo Cheats. See you next time on Halo. Goodbye.